Welcome everybody, my name is Ben with Master Spas and Chili Goats. We're starting a series of how-to videos so that you can make operation of your chili goat in your facility or home much easier. When you power up, so you filled up, you burped it, you powered up, water's flowing, air's flowing, everything's good to go. Next thing, the question always comes is, how do you set the temperature? If you don't do anything, you have a control panel underneath this cabinet. If you do nothing, it's going to power on automatically and it's going to set to 40 degrees. So you don't have to do anything unless you want to turn that temperature up. And then also, this is going to be flashing net when you open up that cabinet. That net means it's ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you're not connecting to the Wi-Fi, disregard it and then just adjust your temperature. And while it's flashing net, it won't show the temperature. But keep in mind, it's at 40, so let's say you wanted 50, just hit the arrow up button 10 times and you're at 50 degrees. And then it'll do the rest when it stops flashing net, okay?